Before we take these styles any further, let's make them permanent by adding them to our SASS files. So again, we adjusted the styles on our image tag, the site header logo class. So I'm going to jump over to our site header here, and here's our logo. And again, we're adjusting these styles when we hit a max width breakpoint. So let's include breakpoint, and we'll set max width, and then we'll use our one column layout breakpoint here. And I'm just going to copy all these styles here and paste them in. Now, the width and the margin right now are set to pixels, and I think for layout purposes, this makes sense to keep them as pixels rather than converting them to rems. So we'll just go ahead and leave everything as is there. And now our other styles that we adjusted were in our site header top right. So here we are in our SASS file. And again, I'll include a breakpoint. So I'll just copy this breakpoint, paste it in, and then I'll copy the styles from Chrome and I'll paste those into the breakpoint. Okay, I'll save this and refresh in the browser. All right, so as we're big, we see our logo nice and small and our top right header div over here in the top right. And then as we hit our breakpoint, the logo gets big. Our search and account buttons center underneath the logo.